What are we doing? Are we saying good morning to Dunstan?
Hi. Oh, man. Where is Dunstan?
Jackson. Where'd he go? Tell Jackson.
Look. Oh, my God. Where's Dunstan? Dunstan. Where's Dunstan go?
Where's Dunstan?
We gotta find him.
He got out.
Oh. I got out.
Where is he?
I got out.
Where's Dunstan?
Come out. Dunstan. Where are you?
Where is he?
Is he? Wait, no, get out.
Is he in here somewhere? Look all around, up and down. Look all around. Do you see Dunstan anywhere? You can't find him?
Yeah. Wait.
Oh my goodness. Dunstan.
You see him?
Yeah.
Oh my
What did he
goodness.
do? Journey.
Look at him. Journey, look what he did. Look what Dunstan did.
Oh my gosh.
He made you breakfast.
He tried to make you breakfast.
Yeah. Listen, dips.
You can't touch him, remember?
Look.
He's magic.
Yeah. We can
Don't
touch
touch.
Don't touch him. Then he won't go tell Santa all the good things you're doing.
Take
Don't
him.
touch.
No, you can't touch him. He's magic.
You're gonna fall, Jackson. Careful.
Hi.
Hi, Dunstan.
Wait a minute. Why taking me off? Look. It can kill you.
He's got Fruit Loops in his chest, doesn't he?
He must have been digging around in that bag.
You fight.
Look, it's Fruit Loops. Journey. He's got Fruit Loops in his shirt.
Yeah. Don't see it. Too much. It's
Don't
what?
touch. Don't touch. Can't touch him.
What? It's not working. Hey, do we want this?
There.
Why?
Don't touch.
Right?
Don't touch
What?
it.
Upside down. Why is open?
Huh?
Why is he open? Because he came out to be your friend.
Why take him?
Don't touch.
Why take him?
Huh?
Why did he take him?
Why did he take him?